All right, so we're going to take a look at the next sections of our class. So 3.9, the best fit line, and 3.11, we're going to split them into two parts, Part A and Part B. For 3.11, Part A, we're going to look at solving linear systems by graphing. Okay, so a brief overview of what these are. So 3.9, best fit line, what does that mean? Well, let's take a look. So for 3.9, if we're looking at a scatter plot, so what is a scatter plot? It's a bunch of data just randomly on a graph. If we look at a scatter plot, can we create a line through it? A line. Okay, so notice when looking at these dots, they are not in a straight line. I can't draw a line, and remember, lines are all straight. I cannot draw a line that hits every single point. But what I can do is get a best fit line, a line that goes through all of the points as much as possible. So an example of a line, and there can be different examples, but an example of a best fit line might be that. That sort of goes through the middle of all the points. Okay, that would be an example of a best fit line. All right, so 3.11a, what are we going to be looking at? So for 3.11a, we're solving linear systems. So for a system, we're looking at one or more equation of a line. Since we're looking at linear systems, we're looking at lines, remember. Okay, so on a graph, where do two lines meet? Or maybe intersect? That's what we're going to be looking for when we're solving linear systems. So for example, if I had two lines, so I'll have a red line, and let me get my green pen, and let's draw a green line. So these are two lines, so I've created a system because I have two different lines. When I'm solving a system, what I'm trying to do is figure out where the two lines meet. Okay, so if I look at this graph, where did the two lines meet? Right here at this point. And this point will have some coordinate value, x, y, and that would be the answer to my system. This little coordinate point where those two lines meet. Okay, so that's what we're going to be looking at for 3.9 and 3.11a.